The European Accessibility Act is reshaping digital inclusion across the EU. It creates a single standard for accessibility across goods and services. If your business sells into the EU, the EAA will affect your products and services. It covers devices like computers, smartphones, and public ATMs. And it also covers services such as e-books, e-commerce, banking, and transport. Non-compliance can lead to fines, lawsuits, and reputational harm. Design must meet performance-based accessibility requirements, not just checklists. Ensure compatibility with assistive technologies and usable interfaces. Provide accessible information, documentation, and effective user support. Carry out testing, conformity assessment, and keep records as evidence of compliance. If you operate in both the EU and the United States, you must follow EAA and ADA obligations. Using both EU and US compliance icons helps communicate cross-border adherence clearly. Begin with an accessibility audit to map gaps and set priorities. Adopt accessible design patterns and test with real users with disabilities. Document processes, train staff, and embed accessibility into product workflows. Monitor performance, fix issues promptly, and keep compliance records up to date. Use official EAA guidance, toolkits, and consult legal counsel for cross-border matters. Act now. Make accessibility a business priority to reduce risk and expand market access. Are your website and blogs ADA and EAA compliant? If not, your business is taking a huge financial risk of becoming a potential lawsuit target. Contact us today, and we could protect your business from hefty fines and reputational damage. Go ahead, do it now before you receive a lawsuit letter in the post. Click the link below or enter your email and we'll get back to you.